Today we are going to be playing War Engine 0.4, so it's in beta. I've just found this game and that made me interested in it, and I don't know why I haven't been making videos. I just forget. My memory is doggy. Let's see. Okay. What is this? Wood block. What I do? Okay, go. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be look like. I'll restart the game. Hopefully it works this time. Hopefully, cause that was goofy. I didn't like what I saw. I only saw like the bottom. Oh, that's more like it. Now I can see everything. Look at that. You have to place blocks. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this way. Oh my god, it moves with the. And this fuel, bruh. Alright. Chill out, pal. Ah! This cactus. Get more blocks. Well, I guess I have to get a bit more then for that. But broom broom. Don't know how to get past the cactus. I went full speed at it and it didn't take damage. Bah! Look at that. Look at this guy trying to think he's all tough. Well, he is, that's why. Alright, there we go. Now I should have enough to get common crate, aluminum armor, a basic wheel, wood blocks, small fuel tank, wood armor. Okay, so I think I know how to this helped me. That's what I can say. It helped. So I'm gonna place my fuel tank right above my head. Protect it with 3 aluminum blocks. Wooden blocks. Put some aluminum armor on the front of this car. That's it. Oh, there's 1. It looks like 7. But then we're gonna place a bit of wood armor there. Basic wheels on the back. Wait, rotate. Basic wheels on the back just in case we fall over and stuff. Voila, let's go. It's back heavy. I thought aluminum would weigh 1 more, to be honest. I've lost a lot of speed. I don't like this car anymore. Okay, so delete mode, I think these 2 wheels. Let's go now. So we're not as fast as we were before, but we're definitely faster now. Because inconveniences happen, I guess, so yeah. Going quite fast, but nowhere near as fast as the default car. And yet we can't make it past that. I think I just gotta go full on speed. Nothing else. We just gotta go quick speed. Place like somewhere like that. Okay, well we're gonna go fast. Purely just speed here, and I beat the game with I just beat that spot with purely speed. But then I think the fuel tank will help. The fuel tank. Probably place it. Probably place the fuel tank right there. go now. This should be fast enough to defeat the cactus, right? I mean, it's not heavy. Defeat the box with the knees. It's a bit slower, but it should be able to beat the cactus just as easily, no? Why doesn't it work? Let's try this. Wood blocks. Is there any way to go faster? That's my question. How many basic wheels are we gonna get? You know, I have a very big temptation to just let's see if we go faster this time. I think we have a higher top speed but a very slow acceleration rate. Okay, no, we're not fast enough. Maybe like a minibus? Minibus path is looking kind of good for us right now, guys. It's the minibus path. It's not the minibus path. What do I do? I got this. Except I get wheels. Does that work or do they fall off? That works. That might be it. Just have an extended wheels in the back to help you gain speed. This should definitely work. Yep. Go over that. And it didn't get over. 6 broken obstacles, so probably because 1 box and 5 stuff in the cactus. I'm gonna be back when I'm able to have it buy a rare box, cause content. Alright guys, I'm back and I went a bit over, but I still did get enough for the rare crate. Right, let's see. 2 fuel tanks, alright. Wood armor, alright. Can I get something rare, please? Aluminum block, alright. Down. I mean, wait, hold up, wrong thing. I guess I can replace that with an aluminum block. Would it help though? How do people get acceleration? Is it fuel tanks? Did they just have a lot of fuel tanks? Fuel tank. And it looks like the aluminum block doesn't do much for us. So back to that. Is it more back wheels? It might be more back wheels. Also, all the blocks I have now fuel tanks. We are probably not gonna get anywhere near over that. Like I said, and we can't move anywhere now. Why does this work the best? Why does it? did that, would that work better as well? No. Then why does this work? I'm confused, guys. I'm gonna just try and keep going. I think I have an idea on what the strategy might be though. Hit the block. Go back. Regain all of that same speed. I don't know if the cactus is gonna stop that from happening though. Well, we're about to find out. Regain all of that speed. Why can't I make it up that? Brr. I'm getting the same money anyways, so. Why didn't I make it that time? Too many fuel. I just realized something. Unicycle. Aw. Hey, the unicycle never dies. The unicycle never dies. Vroom, vroom. Yeah, you better die. Oh, damn. 2 wheels a bit tricky for that. Vroom, vroom. No, I never planned that out. There we go. The unicycle will never die. Damn, this is a bit trippy. Bruh. What do you expect me to do, bruvy? Broom, broom. Time to go. Keep going, unicycle. It's your time to shine. Show them who's boss. Would this work? This might actually work. There's less weight on it. No problem. Go up the hill. No problem. Go fast. Vroom! Over the cactus. Dead. Go over this. See, here I think we should do that. Because we just missed out on reach there, right? I mean, it ain't altering our speed yet. Oh, it's altered our speed. It has definitely altered our speed. They probably just get better wheels, to be honest. That's what I think. Look at that guy. See how fast he's going? How's he going that fast, eh? How's that guy going that fast, bro? How's he going past that? Brr. And down the ramp, down the ramp. No stops. Go straight up. I'm dead. Out of fuel. That's as much money I'm getting. Just need like a bit here. Okay, don't kid. Smack, done. End it. Get more blocks. Get more blocks. Very rare crate. Basic. So that's how they're doing it. How'd I never get a cannon? A cannon. Man, this game be crazy. Never knew I could get a cannon in this. Vroom vroom. Damn. It shoots anything in its path. Can I shoot the cactus? Whoa! 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 What was that under? Why was that like that? Let's see how fast we can go like this. Jesus. We are storming. We didn't even break the cactus. Ow. We didn't even break the cactus. We need a bit more weight on the front. Maybe the mama should protect the wheel. We overjumped the cactus. Yes, we might be able to make it here. We can totally make it. Look at that. Smack. Get out of my way. What's wrong here? Hey! So that's what we need the cannon for. Got him. So that's what we need the cannon for. Well, I'm out of fuel. Bang. Look at that. We can try against the cactus though. Like there's nothing stopping us. It does do damage to the cactus. Damn. Hey! Okay, fine. If you want that, I'll go back here and I'll get a speed. I'll get some speed and I'll go right over you. You asked for it. And I've given you what you wanted. Smack the guy! Oh, I didn't get him. Hey! Why'd you wait until I went all the way back there? Yeah, that's right, no answer. Just need a bit more fuel and I think we'll make it. Still going light speed. Smack that box out of here. Smack that cactus. Go up this hill. Like it's nothing? No? It's something, alright. Get a real speed boost on that. Made it right over it. No problem. Totally was a problem. Oh my god, okay. Need a little speed boost on this too. Go down that hill, up this hill, up this hill. We should be able to make it. Oh, we made it, we made it, we made it. Alright, good. Alright. Smack that guy. Get out of here, pal. Nobody asked for you in this world. Go back up. Quick. Keep going. No. We got nowhere to go. No. Why are you waiting for me? I was about to click it. You think an extra wheel is going to do something? I think it is. With an engine like that, surely a singular little wheel won't do much except speed it up, right? Well, it didn't speed us up. It helps us going uphill though, in a way. No, it helps us going downhill. That's weird. Right, but now I know how people were going that fast. They had that. They had a basic engine. How do you get a better engine? Oh well. Guess I won't know. Doesn't even take any fuel or anything. I missed it. Embarrassing. I missed it again. Go up this hill like it's nothing. Come on. We're better than this. We're not going to be able to make it up that hill unless we have a little speed boost. Vroom vroom. Bro. Alright, the extra fuel tank. We don't need it. Well, if you didn't notice, I am saving up for the very rare box again, because that gave me a lot of good stuff last time. You know, honestly, I think we need a wood block there, and that's it. Because it's still going like light speed. But I think this time the cactus won't survive. Look at that, the cactus was now right down in his tracks. Didn't know what to do. Come on. No, we need a little speed boost, alright. Don't use any fuel for this bit. Then use all. Go. We're not gonna make it. So, it turns out that we do need a small fuel tank. Right there. Don't worry, we can get a very rare crate though. Heavy wheel. What does that do? Large fuel tank, very rare. That's a ginormous fuel tank, not a large. A heavy wheel. I wonder what that does. Let's see. But doink, we're going really slow now, aren't we? I need an engine. Yeah, we're going fast, we're going faster, we're going fast. Keep going. Nice. You break that cactus down. Damn, that fuel stands no chance. Goodbye. Oh my god, no. We have a little speed here. Though. Right. Go. No. Right, go back. And forward. Let's go. No. Back. And forward. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. Yes, come on. The heavy wheel's killing us right here. I can tell it's the heavy wheel right here. Come on, quick. Yeah, make it. No, it's the heavy wheel. But to be honest, I think we can do something here. Large fuel tank there. Basic engine. That's it. Now look us go right through this level like it's nothing. Bang. Damn. We're going faster. Oh no. We went a bit too fast. Forgot about the aluminum plate. Well, I didn't, but they did. My character. No, well, the box forgot about the aluminum plate because he was enjoying his time so much driving around. Smack. Get out of my way. Go up! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, we made it, we made it. Let's go. That's nothing on us. Come on. End run. There we go. That's as high as we can go. Just realised, just put the engine there. Now we've got a way more compact and fast thing. Fuel still goes for a long time. Oh my god. We're flying. We actually don't care. Going a bit slow there for some reason though. Can't imagine what that was, but we're gonna slap right through this thing. Look at this. Vroom vroom. Look at that. Right up here. Nothing's stopping us. Just need an engine right there. Bang right there. That's as high as we're getting again. I wonder if putting the engine back there actually changes anything. Probably doesn't, but I still want to check. Goodbye, cactus. Oh well, I didn't even get to shoot it. Aluminum plate's still on, and we went past that part a lot quicker this time. Again, we have to go back though, so long it's not that bad yet. Go up and over. Up, 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 up. Hey, we made it, we made it, we made it. That's not a bad feel. Sign. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, okay. Why did we make it so much further this time, though? Go, 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 go. Vroom. Bang. 192. High score. High score. Keep going. As fast as I can go. Don't even care about shooting that. Bang. I can't even shoot the cactus, we're going so fast.
Футбол.
Сейчас.
Что сейчас у тебя 5 minutes, and then мы выходим из дома.
We need to go back again.
Он с кем ты играешь?
Видео.
Сейчас уходить.
Bro, that plank sabotaged. Sabotage. I'm just gonna do a little quick one, and then we'll end the video. Boom, boom. Put this box in there. Нету камеры. Very rare crate. We've got some wood armor. That's uncommon. Aluminum armor. That's rare. And another very large fuel tank. Why do I feel like they've got
He could just cut it off.
the same time every single time? Wait, I need to try and have a run with this. We're gonna beat the game, guys. Right here, right now. We're gonna beat the game. With all this fuel, we'll never stop. I lied. We've lost our front tires. And we've tipped over. Help me! Alright. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.